Did you buy your insurance from a Gecko or a Caveman or Mayhem or any of the other people on TV who are selling insurance, but they never, ever mention umbrella insurance? Umbrella insurance is additional liability insurance. You're out driving around, you smash into a giant piece of public art, and it's all on you. The city is coming after you. They want their money. Do you think that your auto policy is going to be enough? Probably not. Umbrella insurance is something that we insist at Fonte Law that every single client explore. And I think one client in all of these years was told by a broker, okay, you don't need it. A true outlier. I so did not believe this that I called the broker and I made them explain it to me and prove it to me. My name is Patricia DeFonte and I am an estate planning attorney. I am the founder of DeFonte Law. We practice estate planning with heart. Estate planning with heart means that we don't stop at the four corners of the documents. We want to make sure that you have great insurance, a great CPA, a great financial advisor, really a great team that you can count on. DeFonte Law works with clients all over California on Zoom.